Today we're making a rich and creamy Sri Lankan curried lentil and coconut soup. It's packed with warming spices, a hint of chili and silky coconut milk. High in protein, full of flavour and ready in under an hour, this is the perfect twist on a classic red lentil soup. The secret is the homemade Sri Lankan curry powder. We're just going to add in our whole spices into a pan on a medium to high heat and toast it for about 4 to 5 minutes until it starts to smell delicious. You do not want to burn the spices. Let them cool, pop them in a spice grinder or blender and blitz them until you have this lovely powder that smells absolutely delicious and probably unlike any curry powder you've used before. To make the soup, we're going to heat a soup pan with some coconut oil in it for that lovely tropical flavour, and then we're going to add in a chopped up onion, a chopped up carrot, and we're going to fry them for about 5 minutes on a medium heat until they start to soften. Then we're going to add in our equal measures of garlic and ginger. As always, I'm using a puree. You can get the link, the one I use in the description below. Our spices, including that lovely curry powder, and we're going to fry them for about 30 seconds. Once it's smelling aromatic and delicious, we're adding in our red lentils. That's just rinsed red lentils. You don't need to soak them overnight. Just rinse them before putting them in. Chicken or vegetable stock. I'm using chicken for more flavour. Light coconut milk to keep the calories down. Don't worry, it doesn't split. A teaspoon of salt. That's it. We're going to stir all of this and then pop the lid on it and simmer it for about 45 minutes on a low heat until the lentils have broken down.
Hey, sorry for the interruption, but I've got a super quick favour to ask. If you could either click like, drop a comment below and let me know what you think of this recipe, or subscribe, I would really appreciate it. It has got absolutely nothing to do with my ego. It just means that if you interact with this video in some way, YouTube is more likely to show it to others so that more people get a chance to cook my recipes. Thanks in advance. Now back to the recipe.
There isn't really much to the plating. All we're going to do is just empty it out into a bowl. The last little thing I like to do before garnishing is just give it a squeeze of lime to give it a little bit of zing. It's just a beautiful bit of acidity. And then we're going to garnish with some chopped up coriander and some black pepper. As always, if you'd like the full recipe for this, along with another delicious curry recipe using that Sri Lankan curry powder, you can get it along with loads of other recipes in my high protein recipes app. There's a link to download that in the description below. Thanks again for watching. Hopefully see you back here on the channel again soon, and leave a comment and let me know what you think of this recipe. See ya!